Today on COC, we're going to show you how we made whip light mounts for less than $10. So this is what we used for the project. We used a 1.5 by 2.5 elbow bracket, a 7/16 bolt, and these two nuts. Oh. Okay, so this is what you do. You take your 7/16 bolt and you put it through your L bracket. However, make sure it's on the short side. Then you take one of your nuts and you tighten it down like so. Once that's all tight, you come over here and you thread it through there. Now, if you have a stock seat belt, it will still thread on there, like so. And then you take your other nut and just tighten that all together. So, make sure you tighten your bracket down really well or it'll flop around like so. However, we're not going to tighten ours just yet because we're going to take this seat belt off because we installed 4-point harnesses. And if you would like to see that video, we'll put a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!